Hello everyone, how is going? So really brief video why you shouldn't take any mortgage at all. So you can go on any website of the bank you like for the make simple calculations. By the way, do you know what the mortgage stand for? So the word mortgage is derived from the low French term used by Britain in the Middle Ages meaning the splage. Just think about that. All right. So it's not only because before people take the mortgage with a fixed rate, and after they make the rate is might be changed but not higher than certain amount of the percentage. And now basically when they sign a mortgage contract, so every year it can change to any number. So let's say we take 800,000 for example. Yeah, but I don't think so we can found anything for that price, but let's say 800 just for example. Fixed rate 5.4. I'm not sure it still exists, that small rate, but let's see. Yeah, if before people can afford to take mortgage for 20 years, now I think it's not even 25. So I think the average it 30 years. So let's put 30 just for example. So we will pay, I guess, monthly. Weekly is better. So if you pay more, you can pay it out is quicker. So basically, if shorter your term, like 10 years or 20 years, you need to pay more money. And the contracts, you cannot change, you cannot pay out quickly because they don't want to lose the customers. You will pay really big penalty for that. So yeah, we don't need any insurance, no need anything. So just, so it's incredible price. I think not everyone can afford it. Like every month you should pay 4,462 and 45 cents. And that pricing might be changed with the years. Yeah. So basically let's see the final price. Let's make the simple calculations. So 4,462 dollars we multiply by 12, so we pay $53,544 a year, and we multiply it on 30 years, so we pay $1,606. So basically we pay the double price. Okay, if we put it on a, let's say 20 years, we pay a bit less. Let's say we pay maybe 80% or 85% of the mortgage. Yeah. But if we take like 35, 40 years, we pay even longer. But what we can see in reality, a lot of people, they 60, even over the 60, they still pay the mortgage because it's not possible for paid out in time. And probably you'll ask, do you have any solutions? Sure. I can show you the solutions. I don't know why people don't contact us. So let's say you put your money on investment account, the same $4,000, yeah, a month. Just for example, $4,000. We do it monthly. And rate, let's say the worst rate ever what can be like 6-8%. Yeah, let's say 8%, but it can be more, can be 12, 14, 15, whatever. Yeah. And the same 30 years. So what amount of money we'll get in 30 years, we'll put money on our investment account, safe investment account. So we will have dramatical difference what return we might get. I put it as just a worst case. So okay, let's say we need to live somewhere because we cannot spend all of that 4,000 just on the investments. Let's say we spend 2,000 on a rent, and we will put 2,000 on investment account. Yep. And let's leave same 8%, but it can be way more than that. Yeah, same 30 years, whatever. 2,900,000. Yeah, it's still a huge difference. So what about a shorter period of time? So let's say we put the same $2,000 monthly, 8%, still small rate of return. And what about we get after 10 years? But as longer your investment account works, as more money you will get. It's not that fixed amount, because some year it can be 14, next year can be 20, next year can be 11%, and so on. Just for example. So in 10 years, with 2,000, we get $365. So basically, what we do, we educate people, and instead of pay the commission to someone and lose your money, we focus on the earn money and earn commission. So probably if you put 2,000 on 8% with 20 years, you'll pay your mortgage already. Actually, you can buy a house already. But what if you will be more lucky and you get 12 or 14% or whatever? So let's say the average people have 10, 12%. 15 years. Still not that bad, yeah? So instead, you will feed the banks. You can put your money on investment account, take some place for rent, and so on. And after you'll buy the house, and it will be twice shorter.